Basically, it is the competition among schools that we have done from all over the country. We visited about more than 500 schools where competitions were done on Stockathon and mini Shark Tanks. So this is to encourage the students to look at entrepreneurship as well and be focused on to becoming an entrepreneur. This is to inculcate entrepreneurship amongst all the students of the various schools. So we have participation from a lot of schools all across the country. We have from Calcutta, Shimla, Jammu Kashmir. We have a student from Chandigarh as well. So this was a very active competition, and Guru Nanak University has hosted this. This was the program for today. In the Shark Tanks, we had about 500 teams from various schools that participated. But in the shortlisting, we had 8 teams that came in here from all across the country, and out of which 2 were the winners. So we a lot of investors, angel investors, have also come for this event, and I'm sure the 2 projects that have been approved by the Sharks, so they'll be getting a lot of funding as well. So this is just to promote entrepreneurship among students and to encourage the youth to look at setting up their own businesses. It is very good. In fact, a lot of schools have come forward, and a lot of principals are here of about 200 plus schools as well. So we are having a very active interaction with the principals as well, as to see how what is required in the youth education and how we can encourage the children today to look at becoming future entrepreneurs and future leaders. We have a very active panel today that you see from a lot of schools. So I'm sure the event is going on now. So I'm sure the very best will come out from the panel discussions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.